In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Salesforce specifically tailored for support and service users. Whether you're new to Salesforce or looking to refine your skills, I'm here to guide you through some essential, everyday tasks to help you make the most of this powerful tool. First, let's start with logging into Salesforce. This might seem straightforward, but it's the gateway to all of the features we'll explore today. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Service app. This is your hub for managing support calls and organizing customer issues efficiently. One of the primary functions you'll use in Salesforce is creating and managing cases. Think of a case as a way to track a customer's reported issue from start to finish. You can record details, assign priority levels, and update the status as you work to resolve the problem. After setting up a case, the next step is crucial, assigning it to the right agent or queue. A queue is simply a group of agents who can then claim and work on the case. This ensures that cases are efficiently managed and handled by the right personnel who can resolve them quickly. Now, while dealing with customer issues, you'll often need to provide fast solutions. This is where knowledge articles come in handy. These articles serve as a database of solutions to common problems, saving you time and effort by quickly sharing information that's already been verified and published. Another essential feature to explore is logging tasks and events. This allows you to set reminders for follow-ups or any other communications you might need to conduct. Staying organized with these features ensures nothing slips through the cracks, providing a seamless experience for both you and your customers. Tracking your case status and priorities is easily done through reports and dashboards. These tools give you a visual display of your metrics, helping you monitor and analyze your workload and performance. It's a great way to ensure everyone on your team is aligned with the company's goals. To further enhance your efficiency, Salesforce offers automation tools like flows and macros. These are perfect for automating repetitive tasks, letting you focus on more complex issues that truly require your attention and expertise. Collaboration is key in any support role, and Salesforce makes this easy with Chatter. Chatter allows you to communicate with team members directly on cases and accounts. It's an excellent way to share insights, ask for advice, or just ensure everyone is on the same page. Navigating Salesforce can seem daunting at first, but with these basics covered, you're well equipped to handle support and service tasks efficiently. Remember, the more you practice, the more proficient you'll become. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found these insights into Salesforce useful for your daily support duties.